What's up, guys? This is Brent with Stage 4 Motorsports. We have this 24 Raptor R. We just finished full body paint protection film. Now we're getting into the performance. We're taking out the stock 2.7 liter supercharger and putting in this mammoth 3.8 liter Whipple Supercharger, making 975 horsepower. To wake up the sound, we're going with the MagnaFlow X-MOD exhaust. And for the stance, we're going from the stock 17-inch beadlock wheels to these 22-inch Vossen wheels with 37-inch Nitto tires. Now we're going to jump into it. Check it out.
Woo! This week on Mowers and Mullets, you know what time it is. It's you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
No, it's not that episode. Sorry, guys. All right, we're halfway through the process. We got the stock 2.7 liter supercharger taken out, side by side to this beast 3.8 liter Whipple Supercharger. Let's get this in there.
That's what she said.
All right, guys, we got the supercharger fully installed. We're taking out the factory exhaust, putting in the MagnaFlow X-MOD exhaust. This system's a full 3-inch system. It's modular, so you can either do the straight pipe option or the muffler option. You got the dual valves with the bypass underneath. Now let's get this in there. What's up, guys? We just finished the Raptor R. Let's hear what it sounds like. If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle, call Stage 4 Motorsports today.